Thanks for staying tuned to Beyond. I'm Samiksha Srivastava, tracking all the top stories over the next half an hour. First up, as always, the headlines. Iran's foreign minister says a new round of nuclear talks with US is likely to begin on Friday, aimed at reaching final agreement over Tehran's nuclear program. Discussions expected to take place at a location yet to be decided. Arakchi says ending war in Lebanon is the most important issue in Iran's peace deal with the US, underlines that the agreement involves the US and Israel on one side and Iran and Hezbollah on the other. Ukrainian President Zelensky arrives at G7 summit in France, where leaders are set to discuss efforts towards peace and ending Russia's war in Ukraine. Trump expresses optimism that there may be progress on Ukraine despite the ongoing war. Donald Trump will host Iraqi Prime Minister Ali al-Zaidi at the White House in mid-July to discuss the future of US-Iraq relations. Announcement comes during a visit by US envoy Tom Barrack to Baghdad, where talks focused on disarming armed groups. An Air India Express flight from Kannur to Jeddah reportedly returns to Kannur after an engine fault detected about 2 hours after takeoff. The aircraft carrying more than 180 passengers lands safely and all passengers are reported to be safe. Indian government tightens rules on sale of cough syrup and similar liquid medicines, making a doctor's prescription mandatory decision. This decision follows recent deaths of children in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan linked to contaminated cough syrups. Wildfires dubbed the Shore Fire burn about 2,053 acres in Southern California's Riverside County, prompting evacuation orders and emergency shelters. The blaze is being tackled by over 250 personnel and 40 fire engines. Dollar is rallying again, displaying strong fundamental backing despite sharply lower oil prices. Wednesday's Fed meet is looking more and more like a key crossroads for currency markets.